Hello, I'm Sage from Kalkine TV. Thank you once again for joining us on our channel as we bring you the most up-to-date news in business and finance. Sierra Metals TSX SMT 2020 production rises despite pandemic. Canadian mining company Sierra Metals' consolidated mill throughput in 2020 rose by 6% to 2.8 million ore. The growth was led by gold and copper productions, which witnessed a year-over-year increase of 18% and 11% respectively. The complete details of Sierra Metals' TSX SMT 2020 production saw 44.3 million pounds of copper, which is an 11% year-over-year increase. Production of 3.5 million ounces of silver, which is a year-over-year increase of 3%. 13,771 ounces of gold produced, which is a year-over-year increase of 18%. 81.9 million pounds of zinc was produced, which is a year-over-year increase of 1%, and 33.0 million pounds of lead was produced, which is a year-over-year increase of 7%, making a total production of 2.8 million ore tonnes produced, which is a year-over-year increase of 6%. The production surged despite continued COVID-related operational challenges. The company predicts its copper equivalent production in 2021 will be 130.0 to 141.0 million pounds. Its consolidated ATD.A will be between 155.0 million and 170.0 million dollars. Sierra plans to invest up to 78.0 million on capital expenditures in 2021, including 10.0 million carried over 2020 capex budget, 37.0 million for capital requirements and 41.0 million for business development and expansion. Sierra Metals stock is currently trading at Canadian dollars 4.54 apiece. Its current market cap is 739 million Canadian dollars, with a price-to-earning ratio of 26.5 and price-to-book ratio of 9.2, as per TMX data. Alimentation Couche-Tard terminates Carrefour acquisition plan amid French protest. Canadian convenience store giant Alimentation Couche-Tard, TSX ATD.A and ATD.B, and French grocer Carrefour SA have discontinued their $20 million merger plans. The development comes amid rising protests by French Finance Minister over concerns of foreign control on domestic food supply. The two retail companies will, however, explore operational partnerships and share best practices to optimising purchasing volumes of fuel product distribution, branding and innovation and so on. The companies released a joint statement on January 16th announcing the decision. Through the merger, the companies should have a network of 14,000 plus convenience stores across North America and Europe. In a last-ditch attempt to acquire Carrefour SA, Couche-Tard even announced a $3.6 billion investment deal in the French retail company, promising no job cuts at 2 years and so on. As per media reports, Canadian federal officials tried push through the deal, citing the close links and business deals between the two nations. In 2020, Alstom SA acquired Canadian manufacturer Bombardier Inc. At the time of writing this, 10:42 a.m. Eastern Time, Alimentation Couche-Tard Class B shares were up over 1.6% at Canadian dollars 38.59, while Carrefour stocks plunged by 6.38% to Euro 15.55. Fire and Flower TSX FAF boosts its free same-day delivery in Ontario region. Fire and Flower Holdings Corp TSX FAF, the Toronto-based retail cannabis company, announced that it has directed its stores to expand its free same-day delivery process in the Ontario region. The new expansion program will cover the entire region from North Bay south to Toronto and from London east to Ottawa. The cannabis products retailer has improved its footprint in the region with new acquisitions and stores. The company has recently acquired retail brands such as Friendly Stranger, Happy Days and Hotbox. Its Chief Executive Officer, Trevor Fencott, stated that they have taken these steps to meet existing marijuana demand in the province. The retailer has been supplying legal marijuana products to its clients via e-commerce and delivery network through the COVID-19 pandemic crisis. In the third quarter of 2020, ended on October 30th, 2020, the pot company recorded revenue of Canadian dollars 33.1 million, a massive surge of 142% year over year. That's YOY, and 147% rise in its annual revenue to 84.8 billion Canadian dollars. The company also registered revenue growth in the wholesale distribution operation, up 22% quarter over quarter. That's QOQ. Stocks of the company are currently trading at Canadian dollars 0.80 with a market cap of Canadian dollars 182.1 million as per TMX data. Its share has a 10-day average volume of 1.2 million. It has nearly 211.8 million listed shares outstanding on TMX and a price-to-book ratio of 86. Thank you for watching Kalkine TV.